Porky's is the place. Donita is the face. Park and eat or come inside. The food is good, the vibe is neat. Porky's is the place. Donita is the face. Burgers and fries, hot dogs and shakes, sandwiches and salads. Root beer will make you quake. Porky's is the place. Donita is the face. Rock and roll is here to stay. Drive up diners, the place to play. Spin it round, round, don't ever stop. Porky's Diner is the top. Porky's on 42, the Madison neighborhood to be true. A Mansfield, Ohio original.